Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This week, well, I should say this time, because now we're back to doing about 2 or 3 paintings a week, so I hope you're going to enjoy it. This time I'm going to go back to the Silicone technique. For those who didn't watch the previous video a long time ago, we talked about Silicone, who was a Mexican painter, which was a very prolific painter, a great painter, but he's the one who explained the reaction when you do a pouring between different color of paint. So I think it did something for him that he was interested in, but still he was a traditional painter, but the reaction between different color and different texture was intrigued him. So he hired some scientists to explore the reason why, the molecule and everything, the reason why the paint work like it work. So we call it the simplified technique, the simple technique of Silicone, because when you do a pouring, you only put water and acrylic, because you don't have to put anything else to have some great result. As this time we're going to prove it once again. We're going to do something again simple, without any product other than water. We're going to do the simple technique of Silicone, meaning that we're going to do a background which is going to be black, then we're going to pour over different colors. The difference this time though, because we did a few times before this simple technique, but this time we're going to still use silicone, but not on all the paint, and we won't mix it with our acrylic. We're going to put it over our acrylic once we put everything down on our canvas. So we'll see what happened and come back at the end. We're going to talk about it. So guys, I hope you're gonna agree that the technique is great. I think again, this was a technique that, like I said before, that we did a long time ago. Still, I think the first time we did it, it's still my preferred canvas that we made. I have to say that this time, I think this one is my preferred one. You know, I'm not a big fan of doing cells and putting silicone or, as a matter of fact, putting any kind of product mixing with our acrylic. But this time, I'm gonna have to say that it's the wow effect. So let's just say it's great. I think that the look and everything, the work, I think it's even better. Well, up to now, because you see it once dry, but I don't. I just made it a couple of minutes ago. But the factor of wow effect is incredible. It's changing, but not too much. I hope it won't change a lot, because just now it's great as is. I would like it for stay that way, so we'll see. So guys, I hope you enjoy. As you saw, it's simple. You don't have to go overboard with product and everything. You go the simplest way. You do a minimum, then you see what happens. If you don't like it, you go over it. It's recycling. That's it. So guys, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for coming back time after time. I hope you're gonna come back again. And like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care, guys. Ciao.